To seche moko tulo mwaneno kata koko mwaneno seche moko doko bet.
Wewe winja ne ka korka Dr. Agnes wach moro ne ile
wach moro nende ila anende ila manende Rachel sama nende Rachel wacho. There's a difference between demonstrators and goons. Jomano dhi ka Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta oket mar Uhuru mano puodho mar the founding father of this nation Mzee Jomo Kenyatta. They were goons. There's nobody who goes for demonstration with machete. Madigigi mapimogo lopi. Madigigi to katam joma no the Spectre. They were not demonstrators. What were they demonstrating at Spectre?
And that's why
they were not. They were goons, and those were not Azimio people. And people know.
No, and that's why
I want to clear. Let me say, freedom of expression. What did Ishugwa say? What did Gashagwa say? What did Itumbi post? What did Kuria post? They all directed to that place. And what did we see happening? Kendo Ishungwa no chung embele kanisa. Emadwa kwa kata julemu. Gijo kanisa duto. Somebody cannot incite people in your midst tilling. Kanise wa kikbed kama koro waloko hala. The churches have become like the times of Jeremiah, the prophet. Kama, the king, what the king said, everybody followed. The president of this nation purports, because everybody can purport to be a Christian and you're not a Christian. To be a Christian, milongo manan zakayo. Rigathi purports to be a Christian. No Christian can stand before the altar of God and utter those utterances. Both Azimio and both UDA. I'm asking churches. You are the moral conscience. Kaka Mzee Jomo Kenyatta no wacho in his book Facing Mount Kenya. The church is the moral conscience. Mar penyini. Gingie gimagitimo is right. Takueroni the goons who went to Spectre and the goons who went to Mama were paid by people. They were dropped. These people took their time, and if you want to know, where were the police? Uhuru's Shamba is next to a police station. Where were the police? They took their time. They were selling stolen things on the road. Well, that is a state thing. And I want to tell people, today we are setting a very bad precedence. It's not. The rights of Kenya is protected and it's the constitution. And everybody has a right to be protected. I'm asking leaders of both parties, tone down. Don't ban this country. I was a nun in Rwanda when that thing happened. It started the way it's starting here. It started the way, one tribe among itself. And it started slowly and it banned Rwanda.
Wawinja ne pacha Rachel Omolo kaluore kod gigo mabende jotelo mopogore opogore no wacha dira gik